So now if we go back to simulation process 1, we can open the mesh settings. And we will leave the default settings under the general mesh settings. But first we need to add an element sizing. So go to Size Controls, Add, and Body Sizing. We will select the crank body as our location, and for element size, we will define it as 0.2 inches. And now, if we look closer at our geometry, we can remember from the problem description that these 3 holes will be fixed. So we probably want a finer mesh there. So if we go back to Mesh and choose Size Controls again, this time a face sizing. And for the location, we need the face selection filter and choose those 3 holes. Then if we update the location, and we can define the element size as 0.1 inches. We can also tell the mesher what shape elements we want, and we will choose a more accurate scheme. So go back to Mesh, go to Mesh Controls, Add, Element Shape. For the location, select the crank body, and for shape, choose hexahedrons. And now we are ready to generate the mesh. When we get our mesh, we can see that along the body, the elements are of the size that we specified. But if we take a closer look at the 3 fixed holes, the mesh is more refined, which will be helpful when we start our analysis.